What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. What a go on, how you do, how you feel, how you stay out there. You know, alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. If yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. And if tomorrow is your birthday, happy soon come birthday. Guys, domestic violence is on a rise, so walk away from trouble if you can, or help out your family member, just so them can feel like somebody is close to them. Guys, wellness check. Please, me I beg you, do the wellness check, because mental health crisis is on a rise, and it's very serious. Very, very serious. Guys, if you know any of them boy where interfere with, you know who, the young ladies, them, the young girls, them, you know them. Remember, tell your neighbor, tell somebody which part them live, where them live, so them can keep an eye on them. And remember, the big up crew say, foot monitor, pan them foot is the best thing, best way for Jamaica to go. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, uno come here. Come here, make we have this dialogue, because guys, this I get from bad to worse. This I get from bad to worse. Now me say a word. Me fix my glass. Can somebody run over Port Antonio, and call Sheena, yeah, the Dixon one, the one named Dixon. By the way, Sheena, you and Teddy Dixon now. Remember this, me and Teddy Dixon go to school together, and that's why I don't really want to diss you up, you know. That's why I don't want to diss you up and talk some things. Because Dixon, Teddy Dixon, and him two brother, good youth, we all go to school together away from the big one, the biggest one. Anyway, Sheena, me want to talk to you, but me go shove you around the back a little bit. You stay around at the back of the line. Me want to talk to this little piece of. This little piece of. By the way, hold on first. Big up crew, big up on your stomach. Big up on yourself. Enough respect to each and every one of you. I can't even start calling him, because uno so much, and uno so nice, and uno so lovely, and uno so decent. So uno too much. I can't call all of uno names. So here we are. Big up crew, big up on yourself. Hold on a little bit. Talk up massive up on yourself. Juliet crew up on yourself. Who else? Scoop! Michelle Scoop, your crew, big up on yourself. And you don't know, the Rodney's massive, big up on yourself. Enough and whole heap of respect. Hold on. AK, Alicia Kim, big up your two mama. Big up yourself. Enjoy life to the fullest and just embrace life. When me say, AK, embrace life. AK, hear what me I say, thank you very much for the call out, for talk. Hear what me I say. Even when you don't call my name, talk my name, remember me tell you, the love that me have for you in my heart is, me never know the word for call it. Because you way over the boundary, you know? So, AK, big up yourself, enough respect, and just, you know what I say? Just enjoy life to the fullest, and just keep flying. Just keep making your videos, shut out all of the noise, and just fly, because we out here. Yeah, we out here. And remember me tell you, you don't have to say nothing. Because we out here, yes, we are The foot soldiers. Yeah, man, we there out here. So anyway, let me go back and talk to this discombobulated Jackie. Jackie, me see you make a video one day. After Kita come out, come make fear video. And Kita chuck on the eye and tell me someone to leave married people business alone. Me see you come out, make a video, mad, piss, head no good again, mad. Then me see your boss call you to the front of the line. You come out mad. You come out mad. But then, AK make a video. And the video AK make, AK was talking about, what was it again? I can't call the word. The word in my mouth, but it not come out. But it is, AK was talking about parentage when you're not together with the person. You're apart. Co-parenting, yes. Co-parenting. You little discombobulated Jackie. Me will go ask you a question, yeah? You come out and say, AK jump out a fire and jump in a frying pot. So where is your... I do not like to talk about nobody's kids. But these kids, what me I go talk about? A big grown woman them. So me go talk about them. So where is your two daughters where you have? Where their father is? Now, let me talk to you really decent and respectful and nice. Me should not talk to you me should not talk to you nice either. But where is your two daughters' father? Where are they? Where he is? Where is he? Are you with him now? You're not with him now. You're on him left. Long time. Long time. What happened make you on him left? What happened make you on him left? And when you on him left, you see, what did happen after you on him left? You did go in a church? You did go give your life to God and leave man alone? No. You pick up another man. And what did that man where you pick up do to you? May I wait? What that man where you pick up do to you? And then you left that one day. And then you're there with the next one. When near me out. That one near me out. And then you left that the one, and then you're there with the next one, and that the one they double near me out too. And then we go again. Then I think you're fat. Me no remember if I saw you go this part. But then, me no remember the exact word. You find this one where you are wear the pants. Because him can't talk to you. As a matter of fact, him have to drive, when him a drive, him can't, 1 hour can pass and him not check in. 1 hour can pass and him not check in. So how come you get up? I talk about how AK jump out a frying pot and jump in a fire. Like when you left the man them where you left, you did left them and go find yourself a good man. Some of them are never good man where you find. Because I know one of them near out you. You mind one of them because you're a healthy mind, man, because hallelujah. Pray, hold on, oh Lord. Hold me tongue. Hold me mouth. Hold me mouth, because I do not want to disrespect this lady. Hold me mouth, man. Hold me mouth. Let me tell you something, Jackie. I buy you by man, you know. I buy you by man because you take care. Hold on a little bit, people. Not saying the woman mustn't take care of them man, you know. Not saying a woman mustn't take care of them man. But Jackie particular have issues when it come on to man. Give thanks and praises. You find this a man away. You know, this man not do me nothing, you know. This man not do me nothing. So, people, who don't know me stay already, with all due respect, I go leave this man alone. I go leave this man alone. Go back to Miss discombobulated Jackie. Jackie, you are talking about AK jump in a frying pot and jump out a frying pot, jump in a fire. Did AK tell you who and her have Get her daughter? Did AK come out here and tell you, oh yeah, I get my daughter from A, B, C, D, E, R, G? Did she explain to you and tell you or anybody, as a matter of fact, any of us, who her baby daddy is? No, she never did that. So how comes you is coming out here talking about she jump out a frying pot and jump in a fire? And as a matter of fact, my question to you is AK the first and only woman that have kids with a man and then they broke up? No, because me have kids and me and them mother not there. So talk about that. Go and go make video about that. Go and go make video. Tell the world, say, Rodney and in kids, their mother not there. Go and go tell the world that. Me, I tell you if you go tell the world, say me and my kids, their mother not there. Because apparently that is a subject. That is a subject. You're a woman, you're a mother. You're a grandmother, as you say you're a queen, but you are what kind of queen? A dumb queen or dairy queen, or what kind of queen are you? Because you're not a sensible queen. You're one of the dumbest queen I have ever seen in my whole entirely life. You should not put queen close to your name one bit at all. Imagine you're a grown-ass woman. A grown-ass woman. You are a grandmother, as you said. And you're taking step with this young lady, beating this young lady, trying to do everything in your mindset to make this lady look bad. Everything. Just because this lady angle our business better than you. Because guess what happened? No disrespect to nobody out there. One thing you can say about AK. One thing you can say about AK have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 man. You can't say that about AK. You only can talk all kind of stupidness, but you can't say AK have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 man. How much you did have? You want me to talk about the things, them? How much you did have? How much you did have? Because I remember say you did a bat around the place, you know. You know, certain thing me no want go in a. Certain thing me no want go in a, Jackie. And remember me tell you, see you? As a mother, as a grandmother. You, Jackie, you're a wicked woman. As a grown woman, as a mother, as a grandmother, you get up interfering with this young lady for what? For what? You interfering with this young lady for what? As a grown woman, for what? What is the reason that you is interfering with this lady? What is the reason? There's no reason for you to be doing this to her. You're a mother. You're a grandmother. And you out here in the YouTube street act like a bitch. For what? The question is, why are you doing this to her? She didn't trouble you. She did not trouble you. Your two kids that you have, you're not with their father. And to be honest with you, it's not the first time you've been with a man. After those two kids, you've been with several men. So, what did you do? Did you jump out a frying pot and jump in a fire too? Have some respect, have some moral, have some standards as a mother, and respect her as a mother. Respect her as a mother. You are a mother too. You don't have no respect for this young lady. You don't have no respect for her family. But yet still you come out here and talk about you're a queen. Queen where? Which part are you a queen? Look for yourself. Look for yourself. You know, to be honest with you, you don't serve no purpose. Because you're not here teaching nobody nothing as a big woman. As a big woman, you're on YouTube, you're not teaching nobody nothing. And the thing is, nobody can learn anything from you. Because you're hypocritical, you are hypocrite, you are crow, you are drunk crow, you are everything. Because you're in a drunk crow. You know? Guys, this is the thing what me I try to tell all of you out there. None of us is perfect. Not one of us is perfect. None of us is perfect. We are not perfect human beings. None of us know if the relationship that we go into is going to prosper. None of us know if the relationship is going to last 10, 15, 20 years or last forever. None of us. There is nothing that's written and said that, okay, you're with John now and the relationship will be forever. There's nothing that written in the book of Almighty Jesus Bible said that. But yet still you come out and talk about how she jump out a frying pot and jump in a fire. When you get kids and the man go missing and you deal with another man, you are going like a one man alone sing song in a field like a centipede. Go on about your business. Let me tell you something. You see people, me not say woman. You see people like you, I want to make this world stay like how it is. There's nothing wrong with the world, you know. A people like you wrong with the world. You little discombobulated Jackie. A people like you wrong with the world. There's nothing wrong with the world. You know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with the world. It's just the people like Jackie we're in it. Nothing no wrong with the world. It's just people like you we're in it that make the world is in trouble. How can you be a woman and trying to beat down this woman, talking about how she jump out a frying pot and jump in a fire? Where you did jump in her? Where you did jump in her? When you left, when the man gone about in business, where you did jump in her? Because you're going like you never young. Anyway, me done with you for now. When you come from Portland yet with this little Sheena. Let me talk to you now, Sheena. I told me I talk to you now, but you, this now for you, Sheena. So Sheena, let me ask you something, you see. Again, Teddy Dixon, and you are what? Which Teddy Dixon is what to you? Because you know why me no make certain video towards you? Me and Teddy Dixon, me I call out him full name. Go to school together. Good youth. Respectful youth. Yeah, man, I rate him. And that's why I not say things about you where, yeah. But remember, me hear Nari say something about the dealings between you and your mother. Me could have had to it, but me not had nothing to it. And the first time me go say something to it. Everything when Nari say about you and your mother is correct. As a matter of fact, you and your whole family, the good one them, you and them not get along. But the bad one them, like the one where you said that Kingston, yes, you and them get along because you are the same set of dirty animal. Anyway, me not really come to talk about that part. So tell me something, Sheena. So you mean to tell me, say, hold on a little bit. Sheena, when you and Nari was together, and you get pregnant and you have that child, why did Nari ask for DNA? Why did Nari ask for that DNA? Did Nari ask for the DNA because he believed the child wasn't his? And why would he believe the child wasn't his when you and him was together? Eh? You know, my people, me try to ask you for forgiveness a lot, see? And sometimes I want to say something. But with the respect that I have for women and for my subscribers, sometimes, and my mother, because my mother watch me video them, I decided not to say certain things. But why did Nari ask for a DNA? Nari didn't just ask for a DNA because he want to ask you a DNA. Because you cannot be trusted. You cannot be trusted. Because just like how Kita, just like how the rumor have it, as if you ask Kita for some of the goods and you don't get it, that means Kita never hear. You were the same. You were the same. And you are going like, I know that's why Nari never really want you. Because I never, Nari alone, I sing song in your Senapad. You think me wouldn't find out all of them something? Remember I say people know you, you know. People know you good. People know you good. But, Sheena, when Nari left you, who did Nari left you for? Nari never left you and go to AK. Yeah, Nari never left you and go to AK. Nari left you and go live his life. So you now operate like Nari left you and go to AK. Nari left you and go to somebody else, married to Kita. Now let me show you how stupid you is. You friend Kita and start to give Kita information. But for some reason you dislike AK. You dislike AK so much that you really write a letter to the United States of America immigration, telling them about AK marriage didn't work out. AK was the one who telling authority that AK was the one who causing all the problem in the marriage. And doing all these things to get AK deported from the United States of America. When AK did not trouble you, AK didn't even see your dirty ass. AK didn't see you, AK didn't trouble you. AK did not take Nari from you. The person that was with Nari after you and that person was friend, going up against AK for nothing at all. And you, to take your educated dumbass and write an email, send to the United States immigration. And guess what happened? Guess what happened? Immigration did get the letter. Immigration did get the letter. And when them get the letter, to everybody's surprise, them get the letter and then vet the letter and then stop AK at the airport, she and her child coming from Jamaica. What more can this lady go through? Just because she sleep with one whole ass criminal. Just because she sleep with one broke ass criminal. That's all she do. And this is where she get as a payback. Just because this man left America, go to Jamaica, lie, push his little money that he have on Alicia Kim. You, Sheena, who Alicia Kim have nothing to do with, but as far as what I heard that you never like Alicia Kim from school days. That's what I heard. I heard that from school days, you did not like her. And the reason why you didn't like her is because this is what I heard. I'm not sure about this. This is what I heard. Just because she used to know Nari. Because remember, all of you, according to what I heard, all of you went to the same school. So you're carrying a vengeance for this lady. So in other words, yeah, carry, you know them, you know the ram, the guy that will carry the, can I say it, people? Oh no, I'm not say it. He might carry feelings for Alicia Kim because Alicia Kim never answered DM. Because he couldn't get na Alicia Kim pants. So him dislike her. So you are carried that same feelings for AK when AK didn't trouble you. So you go the distance because as far as where I gather, your headpiece have some good things in there. But there's something else like quicksilver in your blasted head. Because you have the brain, but you is as dumb as a bat. Not the bat will fly, you know. Because the one that fly now lick up in a nothing. Because they must see. A bat will then use and bat ball. Because if somebody no move it so, it now go hit the ball. It's dumb as a bat. You write an email. Mark, you know, you have no idea about this lady's status in the United States of America. But you write an email, want the immigration to stop her. Because your whole idea is to get her deported. But what have she done to you that you, Sheena, would want her to be deported? And if she get deported, what is going to benefit you? Is it going to benefit you in a good or bad way? You know what happened? You believe that you would be better than AK. Hold on. That's where the breakdown is. You believe that you would be better than AK, but when you look, AK is 10 times better than you. She living better. She look better. I mean, know she wear some expensive perfume, so I know she smell better than you. Let me say this to you, see. A lot of times, some of us men sit down and ask the question, what was I thinking? What was I doing? I mean, no, say, Nari must say that every day, night, week, and months. The only thing with it is him get a youth. And he may not say that because him get a youth. But me know say if him never get the youth, he would not say, Lord Jesus, why did you make me put? Imagine the woman that come to airport. Immigration pull her over. Put her in our room. Interrogation. Little did you know. Aye. That's why we no mad, you know. That's why we no mad, because all that little stupid one there, where I sit down side the boardwalk, I talk all kind of sitting about film, like a dirty ass honeymoon where him have and him never spend. No. By the way, him are going like him did I spend the money. You have to remember, say the money where did I spend? A Betty house. You never put the money in a Betty house. A Betty house where you go see her in her. You trick them. Just like who know that try to trick Alicia Kim. Me not talk about you still. But Sheena, how do you feel when you see AK coming back and forth? And your ass tighten up, twep, twep. Your ass tighten up, twep, twep. Oh shit. Man, she get where. Yes, she get where. I got on time. You think you a carrier? I got a carrier. Because little did you know, you miss dumbass because you believe say you have your little education, CXCR where you want to have. You believe you have so much sense, you are so smart, but you do not know. Them say some people with education have no sense and the people who are on the street more smarter. But little did you know that AK already know what was going on. So AK first you. She not only first you, she first drank her town, and she first that little criminal Maki. Because all I know a plan up. That's why when did that beat up on the government about yes, you go get deport. Because all I know say the paper was in. You see, let me say this to you. You see how no stupid? That will show you how no stupid. Because at one point, all I want to talk about deport paper, and I said to myself, where the hell am I get this deport thing from? But that was where it was. You know that she put in the letter. And you know that them communicate with her because once she send the letter, they go communicate back to her and make she know, yes, we receive your letter. SABC. But how do you feel if you see Alicia Kim go through the airport with her mother? By the way, how you think AK mother come here? You think AK mother just get up and go up on a plane and come here? No, AK mother go get visa. I will make AK mother get the visa. AK make she get it. So what we need to try if you do, it backfire. It not happen. We need to try if you make AK get deported to Jamaica, but it don't work. It never work. And it now go work because she gone through the gate already. She gone through the gate already. So you little giant. Guys, I decided I won't curse or I won't say nothing that is bad here tonight. But me no understand though. Me can't understand why you believe that you should write a letter for this young man, not young. Why you think you should write a letter for immigration to stop this young lady, AK we are talking about? Why you think writing a letter that they must stop her? And you even give you even go as far as give the people information about the lady marriage that is only out in the public because of what people make up. But if you need to listen, you see if you did listen, and that's why I mean say you're dumb. If you was listening and watching AK videos, you would have realized that AK already gone to the immigration people. Because there was a video that she make and she said she going to her interview. So when you know out there, I try stop AK food. I try stop AK from fly. AK just flew. AK just flew. I mean, I think you must have a visa, don't? You have a visa, you Sheena. Yeah. I think you may have a visa, but guess what happened? You can't get up and fly like how AK just get up and fly. You can't fly like, fly, Robin, fly. Fly up in the sky. You can't do that. So you're grudgeful and envy and bad mind and dirty. That's you a fight down AK and she not do you one early thing. AK not do you nothing. But yet still you is fish send. Hey, what are we? Hey. No people, what a wicked set of people, man. What a wicked set. You mean to tell me, say this young lady I try life. And she never go look this man. She did not go and look Maki. Maki went looking for her because of what Maki hear about her. And you tell me that you're going to get up and write an email letter, and send it to the authority. And to be honest with you, let me say this to you. When you write a letter to the United States immigration of that gratitude, that they read it, it shows that you have a brain that is good. So my question to you is, why you don't use that brain and make yourself look like a human being? Why you don't use that brain that you have and start a school or start something that people can realize that they should not be sitting down and waiting for people to give them shit like you. You know, one of the worst thing is when you sit down and you look at a person who you think should be down there, and that person is rising and rise above you and sit there. That person is rising while you sit there trying to figure out why that person is rising. Because that's what is happening. You believe that AK Alicia Kim is going to be a nobody. She go come out of school like a nobody, but she did not come out of school as a nobody. And I go tell you something, see, my viewers and subscribers. Many of those information that you see them come out with, it a come from Kita and it a come from this shit up tongue one. Yeah, that's where the messages are coming from. Because we have to remember, they cannot really make videos. They cannot make videos. If you don't say something that they can take and build off, they cannot make a plane one. They cannot do it. I realize that and I know it. They cannot do it. They cannot do it. But my viewers and subscribers, let me see at what time now. 2:23 a.m. in the morning. So guys, me I go see if me can edit this video real quick and see if me can make you get it for tomorrow. But me not done with Sheena yet. But me feel like me want to sleep, so me I go take a little sleep. So until tomorrow, me will talk to you. And big up to all of my silent watchers. Big up to all of my silent watchers, the people who watching behind closed door, under the sheet, and I like the video and I thumbs up it and I nah thumbs up it, nah like it, but you know, still I watch. Thank you all very, very much. All the silent watcher who is now a subscribers, thank you all in a million and abundance. My viewers and subscribers, you don't know me love you know. Rodney love you know. Like God love little children. Love can't done. Hey guys, one of the day me I go try call out all I know. But guys, me don't know if me can do it. Cause me go call her one day and then that one day I go get in them feet and I wanna get that. Guys, you know, thank you all very much for be there for me, be there with me, be around me, and all the upper top. You know, guys, it's fun to make videos, and it's fun and live too. So I go be coming on live again. I think my live go be every Thursday. Yeah, man, I go have a live every Thursday, and then I go have other small live where I just pop up and do a live. But I not go do a live without letting you all know, so you all will get a notification that I'm about to go live or I'm already live. But guys, the live's been very nice. The videos are very nice also. So guys, you don't know how it go. Enjoy yourself to the fullest and love life and live the best you can. And guys, let me say this, you see. Alicia Kim is a beast. She's a monster. She's doing her thing. And it doesn't matter what you all say about her, she go continue to do her thing. So, with myself, from myself, and I, Alicia Kim, big up yourself. My viewers and subscribers, big up on a tumok. And to each and every viewers and subscribers out there, thank you all for watching. Thank you all very much for respect the fact of life goes on, and you know, these people acting like they have never been in a relationship and it gone sour. These people acting like they never been in a relationship and decided, oh yeah, I go give that boy the some. And all of a sudden that boy get here and he chastise him and all hell break loose. But guys, we all have to man up and woman up and realize that we are grown, and why should we be fighting with a young lady or a young man about their life and how they want to live it. We have to just sit down and say, you know, having more than one kids for a different person, you know, it's not good because, you know, you're not helping the kids. Those are the things we need to be talking to young ladies about, not trying to chastise them, trying to make them feel less of themselves while you go out and talk about your queen. Which part of your queen, Jackie? And you tell me which part of your queen. As you say, you want go... As you say, you are called tongue man. If you come look. Me no want to see. Because one thing me no do, well, is fall a ground. Because all of a sudden, you want to show. No show me. Me no want to see that. Because me know say me want to live to see tomorrow. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me gone. Take care of yourself. Yeah, man, me gone. Take care of yourself. I'm out.